Hello friends, today we will learn profit and loss. Very important topic for SSC examination. And in this topic, we understand what is cost price and selling price. Cost price means price at which the item is purchased, and selling price we note selling price as SP in short, and CP cost price as CP. Okay. What is SP? SP means selling price, price at which the item is sold. Now we understand this example. So read this. Ram bought a pen for rupee 10 and sold it to his friend for rupee 15. Okay. Then what is CP? CP is the buying price at which Ram bought this pen at 10. Then CP is equals to 10 rupee. And what is SP? SP is equal to 15 rupee because Ram sold this pen at 15. Now we learn when profit will be there and when loss. Okay. If SP is greater than CP, in this case SP is 15 and CP is 10. Then what is there? Profit or loss? Profit of 5 rupee. And loss will be there if SP is less than CP. Like if SP, like if Ram bought this pen at 10 and sold it at 9 rupee, sold it at 8 rupee, then what is there? CP is 10, SP is 8. Now B SP is less than CP. Then what is there? Loss. Loss of 2 rupee. Now we learn some formulae. Profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. Profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. And loss equals to cost price minus selling price. Okay. This is the further explanation of this formula, simplified form of this formula in the form of SP. SP is equals to profit plus CP. And in this, SP is equals to CP minus loss. And this is very important. Denominator will be always CP. Okay, denominator will be always CP. And we took CP as, we let CP always, 100. Okay, always we let CP as 100 if not CP is given in the question. And understand this concept. SP, if P percent means profit of percentage. Profit percentage is given, then SP will be 100 plus P percentage. Like if 20% profit, then what is SP? SP will be 100 plus 20 is equals to 120%. 120. Okay. And if loss percent is given in the question, then what is SP? What will be SP? 100 minus L. Like 10% loss given in the question, then what will be SP? SP will be 100 minus 10 means 90. Okay. Now this is the first question. There is a loss of there is a loss of 20% on selling an article of Rs 1440. What is the purchase price of the article? Purchase price of the article means CP. CP is asking. And loss of 20%. loss percentage is given at 20%. Then what is SP? What will be SP? SP will be 100 minus 20 is equals to 80. We understand in this 10% loss, then SP will be 100 minus 10 means 90. Then in this question, that is also in this question, loss percent given as 20% and SP will be 80. Okay. Now very important. What is given? Selling price. Selling price is 1440. It is given in question. Then we put 1440 as numerator. Okay, numerator, and divide what we get from solving this as SP 80. We divide it 80 and simply multiply it 100. Okay, now 0 cancel out and 8 1 8 1 8 18 8 ja 144. Okay, now 18 multiply by 100, 1800 is the answer, cost price. Okay, now in this question, there is a loss of 12% on selling an article. There is a loss of 12% on selling an item for Rs 17,600. What is the cost price of the article? Okay, cost price means CP. CP will let CP always 100. Okay, 12% loss. 12% loss means what will be SP? SP will be 100 minus 12, 88. Okay, and the question given in the question, SP is given as 17,600. Okay, so we divide what B found. SP we found 88, and simply what is asking CP? CP is 100, multiply by 100 because CP is asking 18 1 18 2, 2 times. Okay, 200 multiply by 100, then what will be the answer? 20,000. 20,000 rupees will be CP. Okay, now next question. There is a profit of 8% on selling an item for Rs 6,480. 8% profit means what will be SP? SP will be 100 plus profit percent means 8. That is 8 equals to 108. Okay, now this is selling price. Selling price is 6,480. We divide 108. What is asking? Cost price. Cost price will be always there. Cost price will be always 100. CP is equals to 100. Then multiply by 100. 1 and 6 times. 6 and 0. Answer is 6,000 rupee. Next question. There is a loss of 10% if an item is sold for Rs 2,160. How much will the item have to be sold at to earn 16% profit? There, then SP is given in the question 2,160. Now 10% loss. Then tell me 10% loss. Then tell me what will be SP? SP will be 100 minus 10 is equals to 90. We divide it by 90. Okay. Now we have to earn 16% profit. 16% profit. Then what will be SP? SP will be 100 plus 16, 116. Then simply multiply by 116. 0, 0 cancel out. 9, 9 to 18 and 4. We multiply 2, 4, 116. 116 to 4. 4, 6, 4, 6, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 8, 7, 2. 2, 7, 8, 4. It is the answer. Now this is the last question. Next question. There is a loss of 15% on selling an item for Rs 6800. Then CSP is 6800 given, and tell me now 15% loss. Then what will be SP? SP will be, you just say SP will be 100 minus 15 and 85. Then we divide it 680 by 85. Okay. Now question is saying what price will the item have to be sold to earn 20% profit? Profit, 20% profit. Then what will be SP? 100 plus 20, 120. 120 will be SP. We multiply 120, 17, 5, 17, 4, 5, 1, 5, 8, 0, 8, 0, 80. Multiply by 120, 96, double 0. This is CP.